各位同學歡迎翻嚟2018年 MC 第9條啦。咁咧，佢哋話有一個 particle 咁啊，move along a straight line with 0.5啦。咁跟住 change the direction with a period of 0.2。咁跟住咧都係 travel 翻同一個 speed 嘅，但係 opposite direction。咁即係咧有個波咁啊飛埋去，用0.5 ms/1嘅速度啦。咁啊轟埋去，然之後彈翻出嚟。都係用0.5 ms/1嘅，咁不過一次係向右，一係向左啦。咁啊，基本上咧揾 acceleration 咧，咁就 F 等於 mv 減 mu 除 t， 記得呢條式，跟住運用咧就搞掂噶啦。咁啊，由於咧佢係問 acceleration 咧，咁啊 F 等於 ma 啦，咁所以咧直接揾 v 減 u 除 t 就搞掂噶啦。咁啊，所以咧就係0.5減負0.5 over 0.2。咁啊，計到咧，答案係 A 㗎啦。咁點解一個係正一個負啊？咁啊，我哋因為考慮方向㗎嘛。如果我哋剔向右嘅 right as positive 嘅話咧，咁 left 咧就係 negative 㗎啦。咁所以咧就要咁樣做啦。